Welcome back. Madgaon Session Court has released Mickey on conditional bail in Kepe and Madgaon forgery case. Court has observed that custodial interrogation of Mickey is not required. Nadia's and Mickey's brother have also moved for an anticipatory bail.
Mickey has got a sigh of relief in forgery cases against him at Kepe and Madgaon. Mickey's counsel Tushar Savartekar told the basis on which Mickey is granted the bail.
Offence was registered. One offence was registered in January 2009 and the other offence was registered in February 2009. So almost after about 1.5 years, they are seeking to arrest them. On that ground, the court has held that custodial interrogation is not required as far as for the purpose of taking specimen signatures is concerned. The court has also observed that there is no explanation is forthcome as regards why those specimen signatures and handwriting was not obtained when the applicant was always available, being a tourism minister in the state of Goa. And the court has granted a bail application with a personal bond of 5,000 with one surety in the like amount.
Nadia's brother has also applied for a bail plea. It will be heard on 29 July at Sessions Court at Madgaon.
It is moved simply because the police seems to be unnecessarily harassing him. He is in fact under depression ever since his mother was arrested, and he has been admitted to that IPHB. So the police tend to go there on and off, asking him so many questions, and his condition is worsening every time. So we have moved the Sessions Court, seeking intercession of the court to prevent our arrest. We feel that we have a good case.
Mickey Pacheco's brother Simplicio Pacheco has moved for an anticipatory bail plea in Madgaon Sessions Court. It will be heard on 28 July in the afternoon. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
NSUI has given 7 days ultimatum to the government to hand over the drug nexus case and Kautankar attack case to CBI. NSUI has threatened to intensify their agitation if their demand is not met. They have reiterated their demand of arresting investigating officer DYSP Chandrakant Salgaonkar.
We have given them like they should hand over this case to the CBI, both the cases to CBI within 7 days. Otherwise, our intention will intensify. And one more thing is that this type of attack will not be tolerated.
We have no faith. Police will investigate. So let it go to CBI.
ज्यांच्यानी मिसलीड केल्या केस म्हणजे ज्यांच्यानी जेणे केसींतले कल्प्रिट्सांक सोडून दिला तांकां सगळ्यांची आमी इन्क्वायरी जावची म्हणून मागल्या सो आय थिंक सो ही वॉज इन्वेस्टिगेटींग ऑफिसर तेज्या अंडर केस आसली दिसता सो अल्टिमेटली ही ऑल्सो कम्स म्हणजे तोय येता ही शूड बी अरेस्टेड म्हणजे CBI प्रूफ जावची जितून जेंचे कोणाची नांवां येता दे एक्शन शूड बी टेकन ऑन देम.
NSUI submitted a memorandum to the CM on Tuesday demanding handing over the drug nexus case and assault on Sunil Kautankar case to the CBI. NSUI has urged parents to join anti-drug campaign along with children, youth and others.
Sunil Kautankar, he is asking for, he says that I am asking all the adults, especially parents, doctors, teachers, reporters and students to be prepared to join the movement as I have started this movement for future of your children, okay? And this is what I got. So now it's your turn to stand for our cause. I will fight till the last drop of my blood. Will you? That's the appeal he wants to do to all the people of Goa, and he wants to tell the people that please join us in this cause, okay?
NSUI President of Goa Sunil Kautankar was assaulted on Friday night at Asnoda by some unknown persons. NSUI members had claimed that this attack was masterminded by the drugs lobby. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Shan.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has stated that Karnataka is giving false information to the centre on Mada issue. He made the statement after inaugurating the new premises for the hydrology project at Porvorim.
The new building for the data center and laboratory level under the hydrology project was inaugurated on Monday at Porvorim. Goa is one of the 4 new states inducted in the hydrology project. The total cost of the project for Goa is about rupees 22.64 crores, of which the World Bank has given a soft loan to the tune of rupees 18.71 crores, with the balance of rupees 3.93 crores bared by the state. The objective of the project is to improve and strengthen the institutional and technical capability of the Water Resource Department and to establish a well-developed and reliable information system for water-related data. After the inauguration, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that the data center will help authenticate data. He cited Karnataka's example of giving false information related to the Madai River dispute.
This data center also should be the best data center. All the data collected in this data center should be authenticated. As for example, Madaiचे dispute असा, कर्नाटका कित्याक आपलो data धाडत असता Union government आणि आपलो तोच खरो म्हणटा. We have been disputing that. But to counter that, we must have our authenticated data.
Water Resources Minister Philip Neri Rodrigues mentioned that the Chief Minister has proposed to create manpower to safeguard the available resources.
The Chief Minister has proposed to create the manpower to safeguard the available resources in the state of Goa, to policing the state rivers, to prevent from the pollution and garbage nuisance.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan.
Opposition cornered River Navigation Minister Sudhin Dhaurikar on Tuesday over repair work of old ferry boats. Opposition said in some cases repair were around 50% of the ferry boat cost. Replying to the queries, Dhaurikar said that they would soon have a fleet of 40 ferry boats and all old ferry boats would be repaired. Efforts are on to put new ferry boats on long route.
70 लाखान नवे फेरे जाता जाल्यार नवेच करपाचे ते आनी करपाचे ना.
I am repeating, this is as good as new ferry. In 35 lakh जो रिपेअर असा सामक्योच कंडेम जाल्या तो आम्ही कंडेमनेशन काढला.
सकयले 5 जर फेरी बोटी ह्यो डिपार्टमेंटली मरीन वर्कशॉप करता जाल्यार व्हाय नॉट डीज.
आमकां हायकोर्टान डिसिजन दिल्लें आसा मे 2011 पर्यंत सगळ्यो फेरी रिपेअर करून रजिस्टर करपाक जाय एज पर द एक्ट. आज बसून त्यो करूं नाशिल्ल्यो. 1999 वर्सा नंतर फर्स्ट टायम जनरल जो रिवर नॅव्हिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट आसा तातूंत काम फर्स्ट टायम चालू जाला.
ते तो विचारताचे कारण वेगळें आहा. तो म्हणटा 35 लाख खर्च करून पोन्नी गाडी हातान दवरच्या पेक्षा नवी गाडी कित्याक घेना काय म्हूण विचारता तो. दॅट इज लॉजिकल.
ह्यो ज्यो दुरुस्त केल्ल्यो फेरी आनी नव्यो ज्यो फेरी आसा त्यो आमी लॉंगेस्ट रुटाक घातल्या. डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन फेरीच नाशिल्ल्यो अशी परिस्थिती आशिल्ली डिपार्टमेंटाची की ती डिपार्टमेंटूच कंडेम जाल्लें. आज ह्यो फेरी सगळ्यो रिपेअर केल्या आनी आय एश्युअर द हावस, आय येस्टरडे ऑल्सो एश्युअर ऑल फेरीज विल बी रिपेअर्ड आनी ज्यो रिपेअर जायना त्यो कंडेम करून नव्यो फेरी घेता. आफ्टर कंप्लिशन ऑफ माय फूल प्रोग्राम आय विल बी हॅव्हिंग 40 ferries. I'll be having minimum 40 ferries.
Our senior reporter from Porvorim, Rakesh Kanolkar, Aparna Gondalkar with video journalist Anil Sanidhi. It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.